much you all for watching my movies, for watching my first movie for the first time, and for seeing my latest movie, Forever and a Day. Sino nakanood ng MMK last week na Liham? Thank you. Ako, dahil sa inyo, nag-number 1 siya that Saturday. Maraming salamat po. Sana na-enjoy niyo yun, yung 1950s look, no? Kamukha ko yung lola ko dun.
That's right!
Alam niyo, dumating po ako dito, may puputsipon po ako, but thank God na wala yung ubo ko dahil ninakaw ko po yung gamot ng kapatid ko na pang-asma. Wala naman po akong asma. But, we prepared a couple of new surprises for you that I've never done before. So, hope you enjoy this.
Love you, Cassandra!
Love you too! And I don't understand exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. I'm holding on when all but the passion's gone. And from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things just fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. And it's just too much, taking on the whole world all by myself. It's not enough unless I stop trusting somebody else. And all my life, without a doubt, I'll give you all my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. So I sing, I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and then the sun just shone. We started on our way. I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. I want this all my life. I